Good afternoon everyone, I'm back out. It's Tuesday, June the 16th, it's my birthday today. I'm back up here next to the Seven Queens. The Seven Queens is all overgrown now, there's a lot of stinging nettles and things, the grass is really long. The next field over there, the field that I like the most, there's a load of the Welsh blacks are in there again, so I'm not going in there. So I'll be going round here, work my way down. I might even go in the woods, don't know yet, but I'm going to start off on this hump here. There are a few signals on there which I couldn't get last time because the ground is too hard. There's no way my shovel is going to penetrate the ground, so I brought my little pick, which is there. The only two things that I dug from there last time was a couple of ring poles. I've not been out for 2 weeks, I've been on holiday, etc, etc. Using the DEUS 9-inch coil and hot program. Okay, I'm up on this hump now. Now this is one of the targets I got last time. Which is bringing in at 0-0. Now going this way, see, it's just giving the iron tone. Now if you drop it down to 4 kilohertz, now 4 kilohertz sniffs out iron better than any other frequency. See, I'm still getting the tone in 4. So when you still get the tone in 4, 99% of the time it's not going to be iron. So I'm going to give this a dig now. I know my shovel won't do it, so I'll be using my pick, and as soon as I've got the target out, I'll come back to you. Yeah, I've just dug that now. There's iron on the back of it, but on the front, I'm not sure what that's been, what it's off. I haven't got a clue what that is. I'll just put it back in front of the machine. 85. Don't know. I haven't got a clue. Hopefully Pete will know. Okay, I spent about 20 minutes up there. The grass is really long. I've dug nothing else. Right, there's the gate that goes to the Queens here, which is a public footpath. The public footpath runs along here and goes up that way, so I might follow that for a bit now. I've got a target here now. You can hear there's a lot of iron on here too. Late 80s to early 90s. Okay, I'll give that a dig and I'll come back to you. That was about 85 then. Okay, I've just turned that over and I can see there's a penny there. Just a modern penny. Okay, first coin, on to the next. 40s, 50s, 60s. Okay, it's just a piece of lead. Ring pull. Another ring pull. Ah. Oh, another ring pull. Ah, I can just see a coin there. That's an old penny. Just see Britannia there, and on the back it's one of the Georges before I rub it. Looks like George 6. Definitely looks like George 6. So that'll be after 1938 up to early 50s. Okay, I can't get a date now, but it's George 6. Okay, that's where the penny was, and just up from that. 87. 85. Okay, I've just dug that now. I've put the coil back over the hole. It's in the hole. It's in here somewhere. Oh, I might have just missed it. It's in the corner here. I can see a coin there. Coin. I can see Britannia there. I think it's Britannia. Looks like a halfpenny. Can't make out a bust at the moment. Don't think. See if I can get a date off the bottom. 1928, that'll be George 5. 89. 89. Alright, I'm not sure what that's off. It's one of those finds that I recognise, but I can't think what it's off. If it's off a belt or... I'm not too sure. Probably another ring pull. I know, because he's to the net. It's a tiny little button, it is. Yeah. Late 80s. Little coin ball here. It's not a silver. Another modern penny. Okay. 80s. 80s. Okay, I've just located that and it looks like some sort of old key. I'm not sure. Don't know if that's how it was or something snapped off it. That looks like it fitted onto a nut. Hexagon nut. Okay. On to the next. 93. 93. Okay, I'll give that a dig. I think that's it. That looks like it's got a bit of decoration on it. I've not got a clue what that could be off. It's snapped or something. I wonder if it would have been a handle or something. Okay, I'll clean that up. Okay, I've just dug my next target. This was an FE signal going from 00 to 75. Not sure what that's come off. Also, I think my battery's going in my Pro Pointer. That's the sound it's giving now. Right, I think I have got a battery in my bag. 84, 85. Same again. Okay, I've just found that now. Looks like a bird, doesn't it? A pigeon or something. I think it's lead, it is. It's ringing in at 86. Well, that's nice, isn't it? Right, he just copped it there, just under his beak. Okay, I'll clean that up for the roundup. Very nice. 89 to 91. Okay, dug that. And it's just a lead disc. Don't know what that would have been. I'm not sure if I'm seeing markings on it. I'm not too sure. I'll give it a gentle clean when I get in. Okay, on to the next. Next target was about 8 inches down. It was an iffy signal. It's looking like a compulsory iron range. Okay, 90. Oh, look at that. It's a sort of bit of gold there then. Oh, typical. And is it a button? No, it's one of the half pennies from after 1971. 85, 86. Another penny. Right, that's it for this hunt now. Thanks for watching, commenting and subscribing. All the best.